is Sifa Marcelano. I am currently in the ITI MI dual degree program and looking to improve my coding and technology skills in 550. I chose this image of a domestic short-hair calico cat since it very much resembles my cat. This cat in the detail image is sitting in loaf form. I've read before it means that they feel safe when they tuck in their paws. I am also allergic to cats, and although the domestic short hair has a short coat, it doesn't stop me from snuggling my face on her. My sister and I also recently leash trained our cat so she could safely explore the outside garden. Although my family only has one cat, I have a list of different breeds I wish I had, two of which are the Munchkin and Ragdoll cats. Since my cat was an obvious source of inspiration, I also subscribe to this YouTuber, Kittysaurus. This owner has 10 cats, one of which is a Munchkin cat named Lulu. It is absolutely adorable, but almost near impossible to get one close to where I live. Until the day I get one, I will just continue to watch Lulu on YouTube. Thank you.